Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. Just did my range test on the Tecnam 2010 from Arrows. Let's get her back down here. Alright, get her turned around and do a control surface test. Right, left, left, down, up, down, right, left. All right.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps, takeoff flaps.
All right, well, let's just get her up in the air.
Flaps up.
I'm running a 3200 3-cell in her right now, just so you're aware. This cloudy sky, you can really see that navigation lights. Red's facing us right now on that one wingtip. Very nice scale plane, and it is a scale plane. Now you can see the green nav light. It's that gray cloud there. All right. I wonder how.
Normal mode.
Normal mode on this plane.
Self-level. Experienced mode.
All right, go back to experience mode. The reflex or the vector gyro system that's in this plane, that comes with it standard for the plug and play. Of course, all Arrows planes are plug and play. Well, no, they do have. I think they do have it ready to fly.
Landing flaps.
Certainly don't need landing flaps, but this is the plug and play. What a sudden gust of wind. That's a good looking plane. Good looking plane. Definitely, since the wind is kind of out of the south now again, shouldn't need flaps. There we go. Go over the clubhouse here, which I really shouldn't do, but it's just me and my wife right now, and she's undercover. Well, that's a good looking bird right there. Make it tight here between me and the clubhouse. All right.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Well, wind is getting so unpredictable today, but that's Florida weather for you. Florida weather. Can never tell what it's going to do. Knife edge there, short one.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Ooh, that wind. See if we can't do a grass landing here. Definitely don't need flaps. Those of y'all are concerned about this plane with grass. Yeah, nope. Yeah, too bumpy. I don't want to put the pressure on it. So let's walk out and grab it. But you can land in grass, no problem. But see how that's buried in there? Oh, motor off before I pick her up. And let's just, when you got your 2 feet, walk her back over to the... Yeah, folks, several people have asked about if you could take the wheels off or take the landing gear or skirt or the wheel pants off, motors off. Well, the answer is no. Yes, you may have, but if you can see, you got a steel bar that goes down in here, and then your axle's down here. So I don't know what is inside of here to grab a hold of this wheel. So I don't think you can take the skirt off to effectively use this in grass. You may be able to get away with it back here are the mains, but if you can't do the nose, what's the point? So let's go ahead and continue on with our flight. But anyways, yeah, I think unless you're going to use the floats, which I have the floats, and I just haven't done that yet. Unless you're going to use the float system, this is going to be a very, very short grass or paved runway only kind of plane. So I just wasn't really happy with my approach just now, so I decided to not land. All right. Whew, is it windy? Oh boy. This is one fun plane. I really enjoy this plane. I really do. So glad I got the opportunity to get it.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right.
Time expired.
Perfect timing. All right, let's taxi back. This has really good handling on the runway, as you can see. All right, and the nice thing about her, she's a top feeder. So before you touch a plane, what do you want to hear?
Motor off.
Motor off. All right, so let's see how much battery life we have. and I can show you my placement. The only thing I've modded is, you see right there by the hatch, you can see I got two rare earth magnets, and then I got pieces of metal in here, because to me the hatch doesn't quite close securely enough. But that's just me. And you can see my placement on the 3200 is not quite touching the firewall, and pretty much centered pretty good with the battery straps there. So let's see what kind of battery juice I've got left, leaving the battery hooked up there. Okay, all right, as you can see it, 53%, not bad at all. I could have flown another 2 or 3 minutes. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the Arrows Hobby Tecnam 2010. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.